Big old chunk blew by the drone. Yeah, watch really close here on the left side. I'm gonna restart this in slow-mo, but watch these two chunks. Big old chunk blew by the drone. So in reading the manual, the correct way is you rake down the branches and then you cut it off at the base and push it with the push bar in front. But we're kind of, experimenting and see what kind of works best. I've done that a little bit, and so we're working on kind of, okay, how do we chop up some of this material? I mean, because it is meant to do it. According to the manual, you cut the bottom of the tree, push it over, and then you kind of rake your way over it. But it's always a learning curve with each piece of equipment. Something works a little differently, better in certain ways, and so forth. Okay, this first spot is all knocked down. I'll probably come in either with the skid steer or the excavator and clean up a few of the bigger chunks. I got this stacked up for that machine that we're gonna demo. So now all this is gonna be cleared next. All this crappy thin stuff right here. So I'm switching with Phil. I'm hopping back in the skid steer and he's in the excavator. road he's on right there, that slick, is the road that I built last year with the excavator in this spot, and the deer used it quite often. And now the sun's out, so the mud is thawing, so she's getting really slick. Take them 3 out, man. Come on, Phil. There we go. Pretty sure we got some scratches now, baby. Sometimes the push bar don't quite get them if they're like crooked or stuck on another tree. Occasionally they come back on you, but most of them it pushes them forward. All right, it's a little after 12 and we're calling it in for today. We started around 10:30-ish. I'm going to bring the excavator in here and pluck some of these bigger ones that are laying down. That's definitely rough on that machine, but this is all well under its, max capacity. But this clearing is done, almost all the way done. Just a few more to skim off here on the left edge. And like I said, these bigger ones, it don't like grinding them up, so I'm gonna just move them out of the way, push these all to the edge, and then finish up here. A couple of these cedars I'm gonna spade and move them to other areas on the farm with the tree spade, and we'll just keep picking away at it. So not bad for the first couple hours. Put her to some tests today, so far so good. So I got back in this field today, which is February 23rd, 2020, and I got it cleaned up really nice. And I took that blue diamond and started skimming the stumps. And I'll show you that here in a future video, but this thing is really moving along, so definitely stay tuned.